You can start by entering your name in the game, of course, and then in you go. And you can use the cookies or click on the cookies if you need to. You don't need to worry too much about notifications. And you should come to this place where you can start to capture spheres. So let's see how that will work for us. I'm going to scan for spheres. Scan, and none are collected, so that's it. This time no spheres were actually detected, and that happens more often than not, so you kind of have to check a bit regularly. Okay, now it can be though that a sphere turns up just by itself, and it could, yes, that can just come at any time. You'll never know. So a sphere is detected. I'm going to see what I can do to begin capturing it. Let's see. Now you can see this is my sphere. Now I'm going to have to move. I can move the numbers up or down. And I've got to get the right number for this. Now you might recognize this from the cards if you have used the cards. And you can change either of any of the dials, but I'm going to go with 4. I've got to submit before it finishes. Oh, I didn't get there, even though the timer was near the end. So I missed it because of the timer. That is a shame. Now, another sphere might show up, of course, so that would be good. I would be very happy for that to happen. And they will show up every so often. That is another way. There we go. We've got another sphere. Let me see what can happen. I'm going to open this one and try and get it quickly. Okay. Oh, now I recognize this one, and this is what I believe it is going to be. I'm going to go with 5. And I have my sphere captured. That is great. So now if I go into view my collection, you can see I've got the sphere that I captured there, which is good. I can go back home, and you can see there's some other areas here, but we'll save that for another tutorial.